Good morning, everyone. Today's date is Tuesday, May 26, 2020. And I was looking at the weather for the week and it looks like it's going to be nice and warm, so I hope everyone gets outside to enjoy the sunshine. I know I'm really excited to take a walk down the beach and get some sun. Now, the past couple weeks we've been studying outer space, so I have another book from the Cat in the Hat's Learning Library. This one is called There's No Place Like Space, all about our solar system. Here we go. There's no place like space. I'm the Cat in the Hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There's no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. Jump in, here we go. We'll fly up so high. We can dance on the moon and play games in the sky. We will swing past the stars in case you have missed them. You'll soon see the planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here's a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is the 3rd planet from the sun. It is our planet Earth. It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it will never stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneezed here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think it could float in an ocean and not even sink? A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here is a trick to remember their names and remember them quick. Say, Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Mickles just saved up 999 nickels. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now, here is a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. It's star dot to dot. Use your imaginations and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. A dog, the great bear, and Leo the lion, Taurus the bull, and a hunter, Orion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it. The star called the sun. From Earth it looks big. There is one reason why. It's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky. But be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes will get hurt, and that would not be fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute. A million of our Earths could fit right in it. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon, but first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror, reflects the sun's light. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been to before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. An astronomer An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing too wants to be one. In fact, so do I. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present to look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go, fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something new. And that was There's No Place Like Space, all about our solar system from the Cat in Hats Learning Library. Now I have a challenge for you. I want you to see if you can name all of the planets in our solar system in order. I hope you're up for that challenge. And then your journal prompt today is, if you could travel to any planet, what planet would you travel to? Now remember, you could draw a picture, write words, or talk about it. Now last week we did a little game with my movement dice, and today I would like to do it again. So first we're going to roll this dice. Spin. Ooh, let's count how many times we have to spin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone stand up with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that made me kind of dizzy. Are you dizzy too? All right, let's do it one more time. Jump. How many times do we have to jump? 1, 2. I gotta stand up again. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, that was so much fun. All right, I'm gonna end today with our goodbye poem. Here we go. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. In an hour, sunflower. Maybe 2, kangaroo. Got to go, buffalo. Better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop. Got to run, skeleton. Bye, bye, butterfly. Better shake, rattlesnake. Give a hug, ladybug. Take care, polar bear. Our time together now ends. So goodbye, good friends. Goodbye, my good friends, and I hope to see you real soon.